This video shows you how to replace the spring inside the head mechanism of a Roman shade. First, take the screw gun and twist off the front 3 screws. If there is no screw gun, you can use a cross screwdriver. Take out all the accessories inside until I saw an accessory with a spring. This needs to be shaken out with a little force. So here we have this little device. Remove the back cover. Remove the spring. Install the thinner spring we have prepared. This plastic part is high on one side and low on the other. This spring must be stuck in the correct position. Just assemble it back. Next. If you don't know how to pretend, watch it twice more. Put on the 3 screws we removed. That's it. After changing the spring, it becomes silky.